My husband, are you going with me to the farm?
Sit down.
Is everything all right?
I said sit down, woman.
What is wrong? You look really sad.
Ure, I have to say this. It might get you upset. But I've thought of it for a long time now. And I've come to a final conclusion.
Final conclusion? Wait, my husband. Are you trying to bring in another woman?
Let me finish, woman.
I'm sorry, my husband. I'm very sorry, but this is quite unlike you. Whenever you're like this, I sense bad news.
Oh, I'm now known as someone that brings bad news? So everything about me is bad?
I don't mean it that way, honestly. I'm sorry.
You can go to the farm.
I'm sorry.
I said go to the farm, woman.
When a man wakes up from the left side of the world, he becomes too upset. And when this happens, all you need to do is be soft with him and do everything on time.
But Ini, don't you think he's up to something bad?
Something bad? Ure, the Odinkai know, can never think of hurting you. Maybe he wants to confess something to you. Let me tell you. When he confesses anything to you, just smile and tell him you've forgiven him. Oh?
Thank you very much, Ini. I'll be on my way now. I need to go to the farm.
You're gonna go well, oh?
Hey.
What do you oh?
My wife does not deserve this. She loves me. But Ubone, she's beautiful. Very beautiful. She's a princess. Marrying her will change my life.
My husband.
What kept you so long in the farm?
I was clearing the other part of the farm. I'm so sorry. I know that you must be very hungry by now, but I'll quickly warm your food.
Hold on, sit down. We need to talk now at your back.
talk. Honestly, my husband, my heart was beating hard, so hard when I was in the farm.
Why? Did you do anything wrong?
None that I can remember. Please, I want to plead with you. If this news you want to share with me will break my heart, please, keep it for another day. I beg of you, please.
He didn't mention anything as to what you have done.
Nothing. I did absolutely nothing wrong to him. I make sure everything goes on well. I make his meal on time. I wash his clothes. I keep the hut clean as always. I don't know.
Don't you think he wants to have a taste of another mother?
But we had visited a medicine man that told us that I will soon conceive. I don't know, but do you think he's doing this because of my childlessness?
Men can be unpredictable. My sister's husband did the same. Odinka, I think, wants to take another woman.
What do I do? Please tell me.
Are you scared of him taking another wife?
Not just taking another wife, but his attitude. Once he does that, he will change towards me. I'm very certain about that.
It's okay. You have to accept it. For your own good. Don't worry, everything is going to be fine.
Sure.
Right. I wish there's something I could do to help.
It's fine. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I will have to get going. He needs to make his meal.
Let me see you.
Ure, it's time. Ure. Ure.
My husband, you're not sleeping.
Ure, listen. I know this is going to hurt you. But I also know that you're a strong woman. I want us to sever the bond binding us.
I don't understand. What are you saying?
I am tired of the marriage. I want us to go our separate ways. In peace.
You want us to go our separate ways? But I have never offended you in any way, my husband. It's fine. You want to take a second wife? Go ahead and take a second wife. But please, please, and please, save me this shame and disgrace. Do not send me away.
It's not about taking a second wife. I am tired of the marriage. Tomorrow I am taking you back to your mother.
Oh, no, my husband, please. I will not survive this if you ever do this to me, please. Don't send me away. Take a second wife. You can even take the third if you want, but please, I want to be...
You will survive it. I've started surviving it already.
No, okay. Please. I still love you with all my heart. You can't do this to me. My husband. My husband, please, no. Please, I'm begging you. It's you, Mio. It's Ure. It's your Ure. Please don't do this to me. Do not chase me away. God will love me.
Mimi fobona kibulungemo Asambedeni bolamo Omaleja Oga bunu bena rumu bena obi mu benu bene Asambedeni bolamo Omaleja Ibanye komnobi Kamanya siapanisi Bikone kwamu welomu Arapona welomu welomu Ibanye komnobi Kamanya siapanisi Bikone kwamu welomu Arapona welomu welomu
Uri, are you alright? Why are you crying?
My husband, your friend, has decided to send me back to my parents' house.
What? Odenka wants to send you back to your people. Why? Why would he do that? It's alright. Let me go and drop this firewood and come and see him. Okay? Please stop crying.
Asampeteni bolamo Omaleja Asampeteni bolamo
Winner! Winner!
What is the problem?
Winner, what I fear most has happened.
Okay, come. Sit down. Sit down. What is it? Calm down. Has he finally told you he wants another wife?
That would have been a good news. My husband told me that he doesn't want the marriage anymore.
What?
Dad.
That is so callous of him.
When I'm finished.
Calm down now. Calm down. Okay, just come.
What do I do? What do I do? I'm finished, Winner. He said he doesn't want me anymore.
It's okay. Just calm down. You need to calm down. It's okay. It's okay now. Calm down. You need to calm down.
Get hold of this.
My husband.
Get hold of yourself. Calm down.
Easy.
I know. Just calm down. Get hold of yourself.
Do you know what you're trying to do? What would you tell her people? That I am tired of your daughter for no good reason. My brother, rethink.
What is it? What are you saying? Do I look like a child to you? Eh? Or did you help in paying her dowry? Why must you come to my house to tell me what to do?
Odinka, what you're about to do is unfair.
You, go in and pack your things. Now.
Your father in the grave will bear me witness that I am not in support of this.
It's not your business.
I am not.
Where are you? Please, be fast. Huh? What's that? Uh-huh. I hope you packed everything.
Yes, my husband.
Did you just call me husband? I don't want to hear that again from you, please. Anyway, I'll give you the privilege to call me that just for today. Okay? Let's go.
Let the spirits guide in this compound bear me witness. If I have by any chance done anything wrong to my husband, let me not live to enjoy the 2 seasons of the year. But if I have not, let the gods...
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! What is it? That I'm tired of the marriage. Is it by force? Eh? Is that why you're laying curse on me? What is it? Yeah?
Be strong. For the gods are watching.
Please, you're wasting my time, please.
I just hope one day you will regret this.
Hey, watch your tongue. This is none of your business. Do you understand? Jidile.
What is it? I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well on my side. I brought your daughter back. I am tired of the marriage.
What happened?
Nothing happened. I said I am tired of the marriage. Please tell your husband's brothers to keep the money I paid on her head. They should keep it ready, please.
Please calm down. Can we sit and talk about this?
There is nothing to talk about. Please, I am done with everything. Eh? If you want, you can give her to another man. If you want. But they should keep the money ready because I will definitely come back for it. Please.
Did you quarrel with him?
No, no.
What happened?
He woke up yesterday with a strange attitude. And it ended in this. I'm still in shock. I don't know what to do. I cannot lose my husband. So what do I do, please? I can't lose my husband, please. Begging for me.
What evil spirit has possessed him? What has come over him?
I don't know. He brought me back.
What is it? What is it? Why are you shouting my name? Do you want the spirits to hear my name?
I come with good news.
What's good news?
Hi! Yeah. This dance is for you. She's gone. I've sent my wife away. You can now come in and live with me as my wife. On I go.
It's okay. You can come and live with me.
It's not proper. It's not proper.
What is not proper?
Living with you.
What is not proper? Living with a princess here. What do you take me for? Or who do you take me for? A commoner?
No.
Listen, Odinka. You will have to come and live with me here. We will have beautiful children.
Hey.
And go back to my land, where you will be crowned a king.
Hey. Afwam. Okay, you're right. I'll go and start packing my things. I'm coming. Let me go right away. I'm coming. Very soon, I'll become a king. I'll be answering King Odeka, one of King Odeka, one of where will I answer? Of anywhere. I'll become the king very, very, very soon. What's it?
Eh? Odinka, you are dancing and I don't know, who are you talking to? I was actually going to your house.
I was just enjoying myself.
Yeah.
And for your information, you better start calling me Igwe Ondika one of anywhere that comes to your mind. And please, don't come to my house to tell me about Ure, because Ure is a forgotten story. Do you understand? The king is talking to you. Do you understand?
Wait, Jenna. Who are you talking to?
Nobody. Idiot. You're a spirit. You're not human being. You better call me King Onika one. Meanwhile, fan my back. Let's be going. Oko. Oko. What's that? What's that? Fan my back. Where are you? Oko.
What is wrong with my best friend?
You know I hate to see you like this.
Nay, I've loved Odinka so much. I have loved him like he's my chi. I've served him. I have done everything to make him happy. I have been a good wife. Why would he treat me like this? Why?
You've been lamenting all day. Just the way you are doing now.
But
Ure, you don't have to kill yourself because Odinka has chosen to be stupid.
But I love him.
I know.
I love him. I love him so much. I cannot live without him.
It's alright.
My heart is broken.
It's alright. It's alright. Uzugo. Uzugo. Don't worry, the gods will fix this. Be cool.
Aboma, I have never seen you in this mood. What's going on? What is the problem? Talk to me.
I am here with my heart full of sadness.
What's going on? Ogini, talk to me.
Odinka brought back my daughter to my house.
Uri?
Yes, without telling me what she has done to him.
Odinka?
Yes.
Brought Uri back?
Yes.
When? How?
He said he's tired of the marriage.
No.
That we should keep the bride price he paid on her head for him.
How could Odinka do a thing like that without consulting we, the king's men? Umuna, he didn't tell us anything about that.
Was it not a family decision?
Mbano, no. We don't know anything about it. Here, I have never seen Odinka behave like this. What could Uri have done to him to deserve this kind of treatment?
I don't know. I don't know. Please, my in-law, help me talk to him. Tell him my daughter is hurt. She's very, very devastated.
I will speak with him. Talk to my daughter, Uri. I will speak with him.
So forget Etiko.
Odogu, I greet you.
Odogu, I greet you too. Yeah. Let me pat you on your back for a job well done. You have to clap for yourself. Oh. You deserve a garland on your neck. In fact, a special bead. You should wear it for a job well done. Eh?
So they told you. If they like, let them take it to the king. That would not make me change my mind.
Odinka, how dare you? How dare you? Odinka, why would you take a decision like that without my consent? Everyone will think that I am part of your stupidity and wickedness. Odinka.
When a man is tired of a climbing rope, does he not dispose it? Eh? Does he? I am tired of Urem and I've taken her back to her mother. Yes. What is so stupid about it?
You must go back and bring her. She does not deserve this. Go and bring her back before it gets too late.
If you want her, go to her mother's house and take her as your wife.
Our family is not known for stupidity and wickedness. I don't know where you got this one from. Go and get your wife back before it gets too late. Listen to me. I will not let this happen. It has never happened to our family. Our family is not known for stupidity and wickedness. You will not start it. Odinka. Oh, very well.
Chalugo, Yokoko, Asampedeni Bolabo, Omaleja, Mimi Fobona, Kibulungemo, Asampedeni Bolabo, Omaleja.
Where are you going to with your bag?
You are such a fool. You see me going with my bags and you ask where I'm going to. Isn't it clear to you that I'm going back to my land?
You're going back to your land? You're going back to your land without me? Malita, we're meant to be together. Are you forgetting you're supposed to be my wife?
A weakling cannot be my husband. You are a total weakling. You cannot stand by me when danger comes.
I can stand and fight for you in every situation. I can fight seven-headed spirit for you.
Says a man who cannot fight for his wife.
Please.
If you touch me again, I will cast the poison on your face and you will decay instantly.
It's me. Please, don't do this to me. Hey, what type of dream is this? I hope she's not trying to run away.
Kamanya siapa disi ikone pam welomo anapona welomo ibanya kamnobi kamanya siapa disi ikone pam welomo anapona welomo ibanya kamnobi kamanya siapa disi ikone pam welomo anapona welomo
Maricha! Oh, Maricha! Oh, Malicham! Oh, Malicha! Oh, Malicha!
What is this?
I've brought my things. I've come to live with you. I am ready to go with you wherever you go.
Oh, please do not sound like a woman.
But you said I should come and live with you.
But I did not tell you to come today.
Okay, can I keep my things here and come back whenever you want me to come?
No.
Eh?
Go home. I will let you know when to come and live with me.
I was thinking we should start staying together so we'll start making babies. You understand?
Do you want to get me angry?
No, no, it's not.
And by the way, who will carry the pregnancy? Good. Now go home. Like I said earlier, I will let you know when to come and live with me.
Now. Hey. Hi. My name is. It will never work for you people. It's like they've started casting spell on me. It will never work for them. Never.
I think. KBC, where are you coming from with your bag?
What kind of question is that? And how is it your business? That I'm carrying a bag? It's like you're one of those people that bad luck want to stop me from being the Igwe. Nonsense. Silly question.
Where is this idea of Igwe coming from? What is wrong with my friend? He was even talking to himself. Igwe of where? Are you a prince? He's going to crown you. You're not doing things, let alone. Huh? Let alone Igwe.
Odinka, my beloved husband. Come rain, come sunshine, I will continue to love you. But how? I mean, how? What happened? All of a sudden, you changed towards me. What happened? How did you forget everything in a hurry? How?
Who is this? Whoever you are, I am not in a good mood.
My My love,
Ray,
what is the problem?
Ray, I'm tired of this life. Nze has been on my neck because of the money I borrowed from him, and he has reported me to the age grade. They are coming to take all my goods tomorrow.
How much are we talking about here?
3 heads of cowries.
3 heads of cowries? What in the God's name did you do with 3 heads of cowries?
I use it for my father's Igwefi ritual.
Huh.
I've been waiting for my harvest. It's not paying me.
Calm down. The gods will provide. Is that why you're feeling this terrible? Don't worry, my love. Come with me. Come. Come with me.
Odinka! Get Odinka! Come out and settle me. Odinka!
What is it? I'll greet you.
Keep your greetings and pay me my money.
I've asked you to give me a little time. I will pay you your money.
Little again. Little time again. Huh? Boys, go inside his house. Bring out all his goods and everything on his van. Onya?
Wait. How much does he owe you?
Hey, Ure, keep out of this. If I were you, I would stay away from this poverty-possessed man. Oh, he will ruin your beauty. Don't you think you're too beautiful for this wretched man to marry?
Excuse me, Mazins, I take exceptions to that.
Madam.
Do not insult my man. I said, how much does he owe you?
Only 3 heads of cowries. Only Ibuli la nyam nyam.
Here. Can you leave my house now?
Let me know.
Your money is complete. You told me already. Please.
Oh, I told you already, I'm wasting my time. Correct. No, I'm going to Ghana.
It's alright.
Thank you.
I'll do anything to make you happy. Anything.
Where did you get the money from?
I had to sell my jewelries and some of my expensive clothes.
You did? Ure, why do you love me this much?
That is because the gods brought you to me and I need to make you happy.
Ure. I swear by the gods, I will never leave you. May Annie punish me if I ever leave you.
Obim, you don't have to swear to prove your love to me. I know you love me. And I love you too. Don't worry.
Uri.
Dave.
Uri. Hiya. Why didn't you tell me when it all happened? Why?
Dave, I came to your hut, but you were not around.
Did you fight with Odinka?
Never. I have never fought my husband in my life before. Everyone in Awoke knows that I have never done anything to upset my husband. He just woke up one morning with a strong face. And then at night, he told me that he wants our marriage to be severed for no just cause there, for no just cause.
It's okay. Something is wrong somewhere. Uri, you will come with me. I will go and speak with him.
But do you think it's a nice idea?
We have no option. If I talk to him, he doesn't listen to me, I will call my Umunna. They will speak with him. Packages.
I will not be angry. She will never make me angry. I will treat her like a princess until I get what I want. Soon, I'll become the king. Soon.
Odinka! Yeah, Odinka.
What is she doing here?
Odinka, I have brought Uri here. I want you to tell me before her what she has done. I want to hear everything. Everything.
Uri,
talk to me.
So you brought Deus Ozie to question me? You brought him to query me. Soon you bring the entire kinsmen to question me too.
Oh, my husband.
And I will do exactly what you have just said. If you don't tell me what she has done, talk to me. What has she done?
She did not do anything. I am tired of her. I am tired. Are you not tired of hearing this?
Listen, I will never allow you discard her like a piece of rag, as if she's not human.
In fact, Ure, please leave my house.
She's not going anywhere.
Leave my house.
She's not going anywhere.
She will leave my house.
She cannot go anywhere.
Dad, don't worry. I'll go.
Leave!
Are you out of your mind?
I know what I'm doing. I know what I am doing.
You don't. You don't. I can see you are out of your senses. Here. Oh.
This is why I am scared of getting married.
This seems to be like a dream to me. I just want to wake up from it. I just want to.
I had a dream. And in that dream, Odinka was crawling on his knees begging for your forgiveness.
You're still talking about dreams? Mina, I want him to be mine. I want to be his wife again.
I don't know. But I know somewhere, somehow, one woman is there confusing him. But don't worry. He will regret it. And I don't want you to cry. I don't want to see you cry. Please. Eh?
It's very difficult. But I'll try.
You have to. Please. Where is your mother?
She went to the market.
Okay. When she comes back, please send my regards. I have to go back home now.
I'll see you.
No. Don't worry. Just be fine. Okay?
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you for all the support and everything. May the gods bless you.
I don't want you to cry. I don't want you to cry. It's okay. It's okay.
chalugo yokoko asampedeni bolamo omalecha meme fobona kibulungemo asampedeni bolamo omalecha boga bulungena
Hey, my queen, you've woken up. You look sad. My queen, you're sad. What is it?
I do not look sad. I am sad. How can I have a man like you and still cannot be taken care of?
But my queen, I take care of you. I give you bushmeat and dry fish.
Will I survive only on bushmeat and catfish? Don't I need to buy new clothes and beads? Don't I need to buy new uhe for my skin?
But my queen, you never told me you needed all this.
Must I tell you before you know your responsibilities? I am a princess and I should be treated as one.
Hey, my queen, don't worry. I am going to buy new beads for you and I'll change your clothes. Okay? Oh?
I need a bag of beads.
Eh? What? Bag of guinea?
Yes, you heard me. A bag of beads. Don't tell me you're not capable of providing it.
Who said so? Capable? Very capable. I'll provide it. Is it not just one bag of bead? I'll provide it.
Tomorrow, you have to come with it here. If you fail to do so, I will leave and go find another man who knows my worth.
It will not happen. My queen, I am going to bring not only one but 2 bags of beads. Beautiful ones. Don't worry, I'll do it. Hey, I want 2 bags. No, you can't go to another man. No. Hey.
Omalecha ibanya komnobi kamanya siapanisi bikone kwam.
From where? Where do I get money to buy 2 bags of beads? And what do I sell to raise money? Eh? Hey. Hey. I don't want to miss this opportunity of becoming a king. What do I do?
Asampeteni bolamo omalecha Asampeteni bolamo omalecha Asampeteni bolamo omalecha Asampeteni bolamo omalecha
Odinka.
Finally, I found you at home. What has been occupying you all this while? Talk to me. I am your friend. Your good friend. Are you seeing another woman?
Moise, my problem now is how to get money to buy 1 bag of bead.
What? 1 bag of bead? Bead? Odenka, are you getting married to a princess?
That is the issue. If I don't do this from now till sunset tomorrow, I will never be a happy man again.
Odenka, what is going on?
Moise, I need you to lend me some money. That is what is going on.
I don't have any money to lend to anybody.
Moise, please, I'm begging you in the name of the gods. I know you have this money. Please help me. I'll pay you when I sell my yam seedlings. Please.
The money I have right now is the money I want to use for my father's cow ritual and for my marriage. I don't have any money again.
Wednesday, you've not found a wife yet. When you find one, by then I must have sold my yam seedlings and I'll pay you back. Please.
I do not want to hear stories though.
Wednesday, the last time you borrowed me money, I paid you before the agreed date.
Yes, you paid, but this one is bigger. This one is bigger.
I'm kneeling down begging you, please. Please. You're my friend now. Please.
It's okay, get up. Come later in the day and collect the money.
No, Wednesday, please, let me follow you now to the house, please. Yes.
I said later in the day. By the way, I am here to ask you a few questions.
Wednesday, leave that question for tomorrow, please.
My king. Please don't tell my princess she will kill me.
Your secrets is safe with me. Talk.
My king, Honor went to a medicine man to make your child blind so he can send your wife away.
Are you telling me the truth?
Yes, Your Highness.
Go and send for my sister.
Yes, Your Highness.
Why am I here?
Oh no. Tell me the truth. Did you lie against my wife?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I do not want to get angry. Did you lie against my wife?
Are you going to transfer her anger on me?
I will strangle you, kill you in the bare hands if you don't answer me. Did you?
Obidum, what has come over you?
Answer the question before you Did you?
She was too proud of her beauty.
So you plotted all this?
See, Obidum, you can take another wife.
Did you make my child blind with a charm? Did you make my child blind with a charm?
I am so sorry.
Honor, I will never forgive this. Get out of my sight.
No, please.
Get out of my sight! Oh. I've been deceived. My poor innocent wife. Ubene, my love, I'm sorry. Ubene, my wife. This is so painful.
Your Highness, this is abominable. How could honor put us in such a problem? Huh?
Banu, what do? We have to do something to appease the gods.
First, we have to send honor into exile. Then, secondly, you will have to make a cleansing sacrifice to the goddess of Ani.
Then tell Ezewine that I want to see her.
That's okay. I will do that. Honor. She's just a replica of her mother. That's why her mother died untimely. But come to think of it, how could she have deceived all of us? Is that why she kept coming to me complaining of Ubene? She has to be punished. Yes, she has to be punished. Oma, for bringing shame and curse to us, you are therefore sent on an exile for 7 years.
Oh, please. Please.
Keep quiet and leave.
No.
What's that? You need to wake me up from this dream. You need to wake me up.
Adenka, what is it? You have been behaving like someone whose head is in the forest. What is your problem? Calm down and talk to me.
I want to die.
You want
in fact, I am dead. I am dead.
And you're still talking?
My land is gone. My wife is gone. My beads are gone. Everything. I have nothing.
What is beads? Woman, land. I don't understand you.
I have lost everything.
My love,